Hello and welcome to Skyvia Tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to automate CSV import and export for Zoho CRM with no code. Teams move CSV files in and out of Zoho CRM all the time. Leads and contacts from external sources are loaded into the CRM, and CRM data is exported back out for backups, partners, and migration to other systems. Zoho's native import and export are great for a one-off task. But when you need to move CSV files regularly, and in both directions, you run into a manual process. Uploading each file by hand, splitting large exports, watching encoding and mapping with no simple way to automate both CSV import and Zoho CRM to CSV export as one recurring workflow. Skyvia doesn't replace Zoho's native tools for quick one-off jobs. It gives you a separate no-code workflow for recurring two-way CSV automation. This tutorial assumes you already have a Skyvia account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it for free using the link in the description. Before we build anything, let's create the two connections we'll use, one to Zoho CRM and one to a file storage for your CSV files. Click Create New and choose Connection. Find Zoho CRM connector. Specify your domain, environment, and then click Sign in with Zoho. Give it a name. Click Test Connection to make sure everything works. Then click Create Connection. Now create the storage connection. Click Create New, choose Connection again, and this time pick your storage provider, for example Dropbox. Click Sign in with Dropbox and authorize access. Give it a name, test it, and then create it. Skyvia also supports SFTP, SharePoint, Amazon S3, Google Drive, OneDrive, and more, so choose whichever your team already uses. You connect to your storage once, and after that you don't need to upload each CSV manually for every run. Now let's build the first scenario, importing a CSV file into Zoho CRM. Click Create New and choose Import. Under Source Type, select CSV from Storage Service. In the source connection, choose your storage connection, Dropbox. In the target connection, choose Zoho CRM. On the right in the Tasks panel, click Add New to open the task editor. On source definition, choose your CSV mode. Single file points to one specific file, while Use File Mask lets Skyvia pick up files automatically by a name pattern. This is useful for larger recurring files because you do not need to split, upload, and process them manually every time. Click the CSV path field, browse the folders in your storage, and select the file. Skyvia reads it and lists every column with a data preview. If anything needs adjusting, you can use the settings above the preview to make sure the CSV is parsed correctly. Click Next Step. On Target Definition, open the Target dropdown and select the object you're importing into. Then choose the operation. Insert, Update, Upsert, or Delete. Let's select Upsert. In a native import, you handle duplicates manually every time by choosing Skip or Override. Here you set Upsert once and Skyvia decides automatically whether to create a new record or update an existing one on every run. Select Use External ID and pick the column that identifies the record, for example, External ID. Click Next Step. On Mapping Definition, Skyvia auto-maps columns whose names match. Required fields are flagged so you can't miss them. For example, the External ID column. To change the mapping, click a target field and pick the mapping type. Skyvia supports different mapping types, including constants, expressions, and lookups, so you can adapt CSV files even when their structure does not exactly match the Zoho CRM object. When the mapping looks right, click Save Task. Now let's automate this integration. Click Schedule. Set the state to Enabled. Choose Recurring, and pick how often it runs, every day, week, or month. You can customize this schedule to run as often as every minute. Finally, click Create to save the integration, then click Run. On the Monitor and Log tabs, you can see each run, its status, the number of rows processed, and any errors, so you have full visibility into every run. Now the second scenario, exporting Zoho CRM data back to CSV. Click Create New and choose Export. In the source connection, select Zoho CRM. Under Target Type, choose CSV to Storage Service, then select your storage connection and the folder where the files should be saved. Click More Options to fine-tune how Skyvia exports the CSV file. In the Tasks panel, click Add New. Select the object you want to export. Check the fields you want to include. You can use the filter builder to add conditions to export only the records you need. If you need more control, switch to Advanced mode and choose Execute Query to write your own SQL. Click Next Step. On Target Definition, set the target file name. You can customize the file name with date and time patterns so that each file is easily recognizable. Pick a time zone and choose a compression type. Click Next Step. You can rename any column by editing its CSV name and drag the rows to reorder them. When you're done, click Save Task. Scheduling and monitoring work exactly the same way as in the import, so just set a schedule and Skyvia will keep your exports fresh automatically. Click Create, then Run. This covers the everyday use cases: backing up Zoho CRM to CSV, sharing data with partners without giving them account access, and migrating records to other systems. And if CSV ever stops being enough, the same platform gives you two-way sync, data flow for visual ETL, and control flow for orchestration, so you can grow the scenario without switching tools. And that's it. With Skyvia, you've automated a two-way CSV workflow for Zoho CRM with no code required. Thank you for watching. You can try everything you saw today by starting your free trial at skyvia.com.